What's up, guys? Do you want to unlock the full potential and stability of your Sony ZV-E10? In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily update your camera firmware to the latest version. Let's get right into it. First, let's check your camera's current firmware version. Go to your menu and look for version. If it says version 2.02, you are already good to go, no update needed. But if your firmware is below 2.02, keep watching because we need to upgrade it right now. Also, make sure to charge your camera battery to 100% full before proceeding. We don't want the camera turning off in the middle of the update. Before connecting anything, make sure to remove your memory card from the camera to avoid any errors. Next, turn on your camera, go to the Setup menu, and look for USB connection. Make sure to set it to mass storage. Once that is done, keep the camera turned on, but do not connect it to your computer just yet. Now, let's jump over to your laptop or desktop PC. We need to download the official Sony firmware updater. Don't worry, I left the direct download link in the description below. Just click it, scroll down to find ZV-E10 System Software Update version 2.02 for Windows, and hit download. Once the download is complete, open the file to launch the setup window. The on-screen instructions will guide you through. Now grab a high-quality USB data cable. Make sure it's a data cable, not just a phone charging cable. Connect your camera to your computer and click Next on the software screen. The updater will now verify your current version. If it's lower than 2.02, click Next to start the process. If it already shows 2.02, you can just click Finish to cancel. During the update, your camera will restart. Important note: do not touch the camera or disconnect the cable while the update is running. Unplugging it midway can corrupt and ruin your camera's system. Just sit back and relax, as this will take around 5 to 10 minutes. Once the software says Update Complete, click Finish. Now turn your camera off, turn it back on, and head over to the settings to check the version one last time. If it shows version 2.02, congratulations! Your Sony ZV-E10 is officially updated and ready for action. If this video helped you out, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you guys in the next one!